So let's open up and see what's inside. So we got little instructions, new bolts and nuts, seal with 2 different gaskets. So per instructions, it says I need to measure my flange. In my case, my flange is pretty much flush. So if it's flush, I have to use the thicker gasket and get rid of the thin one. However, if yours is higher than 1/2 inch, you have to use the thin one. Next, let's get these bolts ready in place, like this. Put one right here, like that. Put another one right here. The bolts come with these 2 washers that you have to put them on the bolt, like this. And that basically keeps the bolt nice and straight. Well, it's supposed to keep it somewhat straight, like that. Just push it down. Next, we take out the rag carefully. It's got lots of dirt in it from our remodel. Put it right there and put this guy line up with the bolts. Keep it straight like that. And now we're ready to install the toilet. Hey, smash that like button and subscribe.